Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the camera on the Vivo Z1x. So Vivo Z1x is the latest smartphone with a triple rear camera setup, and this is quite similar to the Z1 Pro announced a couple of months back, but here we have a major difference. The primary camera on this device is a 48 megapixel camera. So how good is the device and how good is the camera? Let's talk about in this video. So this won't be a detailed camera review. We'll be just showing the camera samples alone, and we'll have a different detailed review sometime next week. So before going into the camera samples, first let's have a look at the camera hardware. So the Vivo Z1x comes with a triple camera setup. So it has a primary 48 megapixel camera, and this is a Sony IMX582 sensor. It is quite similar to the 586. Here we have in fact 582 does not support 4K at 60 fps. Other than that, it's exactly the same sensor. And here also have 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a depth sensor is included, and there is also AI mode included. That's the rear camera setup on the Vivo Z1x. Now moving to the front camera, we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and this is f-stop 2.0 aperture. The rear camera is f-stop 1.8 aperture, and the front camera is f-stop 2.0 aperture. Now having a look at the camera interface, you can see that the camera interface is quite similar to what we have seen on the Vivo Z1 Pro. So we have the AI beauty mode, night mode, then dark mode, pro mode is included, photo mode, video recording. Let's have a look at the video available. You can see 4K is supported, 1080p resolution, and also 720p is supported. Then there is fun video and AR stickers included. So there is a whole lot of features being offered on the device, and there is also HDR mode. Backlight HDR is available, which is a feature which we have seen on the V series smartphones. So those things are included here. So it's overall a power packed device in terms of the camera, and there is also wide angle camera. So you can just toggle the wide angle camera from here. So there is the wide angle camera available. So that's the camera interface of the Vivo Z1x. Now let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. So this is the camera sample taken with the Vivo Z1x. This is recorded in 1080p resolution, and you can see that there is electronic image stabilization being offered. So you can judge yourself how good the clarity of the video is, and also the audio output from the Vivo Z1x. So having a look at the camera samples from the Vivo Z1x, what do you guys think about? Is it a really good camera? Do share in your thoughts in the comment section. So this is not a camera review. In fact, the camera review will be uploading next week when the device gets launched. So this is just a camera sample, so you can have a look at it and see how the experience is. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.